Good morning, everyone. Today I have represent business research method presentation. So, what is research process? So, definition of research process: series of action or steps that are effectively performed in a specific order necessary to carry out research. Steps of research process: there are a few steps for research: selecting a topic, defining the research problem, objective of research, review of literature, working hypothesis, preparing research designing, sample designing, data collection, execution of project, data analysis and hypothesis testing, generalization and integration interpretation, and then report. There are a few steps for research process. Selecting topics: the following factors to be considered: relevance, whether the problem is already researched before; scope, required data must be available; contributions to knowledge in specific field, require cooperation from the research guide; practical utility of the topic selected. Definition of research problems: problem properly defined is half solved. Problem may be of the following nature: exploratory, descriptive, casual. Give proper direction to the research to go ahead. Objective of research: what does the research aim to achieve through research? Give the extent to which the research work is related to the specific field. Review of literature: reviewing the existing books, journals, reports, conference proceedings, PhDs, this is internets. Development of working hypothesis: a proposition, a tentative assumptions which a research wants to test for its logical or empirical consequences, must be stated in precise and clearly defined terms. A tentative statement that can either be accepted or rejected after the research process may be more than one. Preparing research design: a logical and systematic plan prepared for redirecting a research study. Program that guides the investigator in the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting observations. Data collection: primary data, primary data, and secondary data. So, primary data: originally collected data by observation of the data, personal interviews, telephonic interviews, through internet, questionnaires, schedules. Secondary data: already available and complied. So, execution of projects: if data collected through structured questionnaires can be machine proceed coded. For interview, proper arrangement must be made. Proper selecting and training of interviews with the help of instructions manuals or direct instructions. With lack of alternates, result may be wrong. Analysis of data: critical examination of assembled and group data, tasks requiring maximum skill, selection of tool of analysis, irrelevant analysis should be avoided, computer aided research analysis of great help. Generalization and interpretation: hypothesis is a testing and failed several times, leads to generalization. Theory: real value of research is to arrive at generalization. If research started with no hypothesis, findings may be related to some existing theory interpretation. Preparation of reports: Preliminary pages, main text, and appendices by bibliography. Okay, so preliminary pages: title, date, acknowledgement, forward, table of content, list of table and graphs or charts. Main text: introduction, summary of finding, main report, conclusion. And bibliography. Okay, feature of good research: objectivity, accuracy, precision, systematics, logical, control, generalizability, free from bias, reproducible. Thank you.